Your Kia Sportage is completely silent when you turn the key, but we can fix this no-crank issue in just 2 minutes. Nearly 3/4 of all no-crank symptoms are caused by loose battery terminals or a dead cell. Let's run through the step-by-step diagnostic process to find the broken link in your ignition system. Always start with safety, then verify your shifter is fully in park before checking the battery connections. Kia Sportages are prone to relay issues inside the fuse box that cut power to the starter circuit. If the relays are working, the starter motor solenoid or its main wiring harness is likely dead. You can handle basic terminal cleaning and relay swaps yourself before paying for an expensive tow. Fuses and relays cost almost nothing, while a shop starter replacement can run up to $450. Use a multimeter to check for 12 volts at the starter signal wire when the key is turned. A basic 10mm wrench and a digital multimeter are all you need to track this down. If you have a push-button start, a faulty brake pedal switch is a notorious hidden cause for a no-crank condition. Check those relays and battery connections first, and comment below if this got your Sportage running again.